Japan is a country that is not exactly the most fond of the English language. And so a study was done, and the results are not shocking, but also quite shocking at the same time. Over half of Japanese students in nationwide test score 0% in English-speaking section. 0% out of all the fucking students in Japan that did an English test. However many hundreds and thousands of children that are, half cannot speak a single word of English.
Don't make me laugh.
Okay, I won't.
I don't want to laugh.
Okay, let's read it. 1, 2. My math teacher has a really nice car, but he doesn't like to park it in the teacher's parking lot. 1. He says the parking lot is old. 2. He says the parking lot is blue. 3. He says there are too many birds around the parking lot. Okay, so you're gonna write it, you're gonna choose one of the green answers, okay? I don't care what it is, you have to choose it, I don't care what it is. And then come and show me when you finish, okay? Okay, so I have a question. If you know the answer, don't say it, raise your hand. Got it? Okay, now. My math teacher has a really nice car, but he doesn't like to park in the parking lot, the teacher's parking lot, because he says that there are too many birds around the parking lot. Okay, why doesn't he want to park the car in the parking lot if there? Yes.
They would poop on the car.
Who?
The birds.
The birds are gonna go. Yes? Does everybody think so? Yes. That's why the teacher with the nice car does not want to park his car in the teacher's parking lot, because there are birds all over the place. And what do birds do? They poop on the cars. Okay, now, next. Who can say it?
Me.
Go. She was faster than you. Hurry up. Let me hear. Make sure that you cover your paper. Don't look at your paper. You can stand up and say it.
My math teacher has a nice car. He doesn't want to park it at the parking lot.
Whose parking lot?
Teacher's
Teacher's parking lot. Okay.
Because there are so many birds around the parking lot.
Okay. How was it? Good?
Yeah.
Good? Okay. Was it 100% perfect?
Yeah.
Oh, really? I thought it was a little different, right?
Yeah.
But it was still good, right?
Yeah.
She still said the same thing. Was it exactly what I wrote? No, but she still said the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Go, give one of
The
my
same meaning.
It's the same meaning, thank you. That's right. Great job, guys.